crawls on here. We just made another juice with some burdock root. This is a simple recipe that will aid the liver and help to detoxify the blood, reduce inflammation, anti-inflammatory, and then we have the polyolefins that are in the grape seeds. How to pronounce it, okay? Ooh. She's already. This is a winter melon, and I can kind of see why. Because you know, winter reminds you of snow, and snow is like ice, water, which doesn't taste like anything. And then it has the nerve to be soft and chewy kind of at the same time. It's a lot going on here, but all nothing at the same time. So anyway, with that being said, I was gonna do a juice today with pear, burdock root, this winter melon, and some parsley, but I think that this is gonna need some help, honestly. My mom had one of these pears the other day, yesterday when she came over, and she actually said that these pears were not sweet. So let me do a quick little slither and taste, and then we may have to add something else in to save this juice, because what's this? That is a crazy melon. I don't know what that is. Let me do a little slice over here. This pear, maybe it wasn't ready yesterday when she had it. Decent. This is some type of Asian pear. This is a Jingli pear. Yeah, this is rough too. All right, but luckily, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use these grapes. That's gonna be good, okay? That's gonna be real good, okay? I think that's it right there. Let's go ahead and put everything in. Our grapes are already cleaned off, but I'm gonna give them a little rinse before we throw them in. But we have our parsley, this much. Let's go ahead and throw our melon in there. Like, it just rips out like, listen to it. Just full of nothing. Like some styrofoam. All right, let's just go ahead and do this while I get the rest together. Burdock root, you should start around using like 6 inches or so, but this is all I have left of the burdock root. This is my second juice that I made, so I'm gonna use it all. This is probably like, a ruler is probably like, what, this big or something, maybe like this. So we'll just say like 16 inches, less than 20. But we're gonna do a big juice, so hopefully, I think that melon's gonna supply a big one. We just gonna cut them. Look, that melon is not making a lot of juice like I thought. This is what the inside, oh, it's so cute. It's like a star inside. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully it'll focus. Alright, a little traffic jam, but we alright. Let's see how many grapes. Fingers all dusty now. 3, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20 grapes. And these are seeded glow grapes. They got little seeds in the middle, y'all. The seeds contain a lot of benefits. don't know, I forgot what it is. This melon. I'm messing my pulp up over here though. So I'm gonna take this melon pulp out. I don't want that. Not to dehydrate. Cedar grapes, I don't know if they're gold grapes. Asian pears. So I really thought this was gonna be way more, but this is what we got. So we have 30 ounces of juice. Okay. See that melon? I told you that melon wasn't talking about nothing. Wasn't juicy, it wasn't nothing. It just was nothing. A watermelon would never do me like this. Watermelon, I would have had 2 gallons of juice. Like, that's all right. All right, so the perfect jar. And that's all right, because I'm running low on jars anyway, talking about that's it. Yeah, that needs to be it. So, there we have it. This juice, I think the grape saved it, so I think it's gonna be pretty good. Let's take a taste. That's all right, but it kind of tastes like it's that damn melon. It's just something about it. But it's great for you, so of course we're going to drink it. But this is actually going in the freezer, so I can get to the next video. Ooh. She's alright. Alright, I'll see you guys for the next video.